Hi everyone, in this video I will show you how to download Aviator Predictor to your iPhone, iOS, Android. So basically what you're going to do is you have to go to any web browser and then you have to search for this tool or for this website. This is what we call lucidapk.com. And if you don't know this one, it's a website that provides a large selection of games and applications for download. So basically, this is where you can download this Aviator Predictor. So you just have to go to the search bar, search icon right here, and then you have to type Aviator Predictor application or just Predictor application. That application will appear right here. And then what you're going to do is you just have to tap that one. However, in order for you to download this, you have to follow their instruction. So you have to tap or you have to download at least some applications right here in order for you to get this. So you need to follow, and then after you follow the instruction in order for you to get this Predictor Aviator application, then you can now install this to your phone device. So you just have to scroll down here and then you will see that you need to do some things in order for you to get this. Okay. Now, once you're done, then you will be able to install this to your phone device. And this is what it looks like. So when you open that application, you should see this. And all you have to do is to log in or sign up if you don't have an account yet. So basically, this is just the simplest method and how to download Aviator Predictor to your iPhone, iOS, or to your Android. I do really hope that this video helped you. If you find this video helpful, please do like and subscribe. Thank you so much for watching, and we hope to see you again in our next video tutorials.